Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make a basic vanilla sponge cake. So first into a bowl add some flour, baking powder, baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now sift all these dry ingredients really well. Now I'm going to sift this flour for 3 times so that it can incorporate more air into it and your cake will become soft and spongy. Now let's mix the wet ingredients. Now here I'm adding some yogurt, add some powdered sugar into it and mix it really well. Add some vegetable oil or you can use any flavorless oil and mix it nicely so that the oil and yogurt will nicely get incorporated. Add few drops of vanilla essence for flavoring. Now into that add in the dry ingredient flour little by little and slowly mix it. Now our thick cake batter is ready. Now take a cake tin, grease it with some oil. Place a parchment paper at the bottom and even on the sides. Now pour the cake batter. Give it a tap to get rid of all the air bubbles and bake this in a 160-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Allow it to cool down completely, then slowly remove it from the cake tin. There you go, our basic vanilla sponge cake is ready. It is very delicious to have it just like this. Take a cup of tea and have this cake with that. Or you can also use this cake to decorate. So you can do icings. Any type of icing will suit on this cake. So wait for my next video to see how I transform this basic vanilla sponge cake into this gravity cake. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.